Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see multiple and submultiple angles. Example first. This example, tan theta by 2, cot theta by 2 and all theta by 2 problem are based on the formulas. So suppose we have a sin A, then this sin A can be written as 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So all these type of problems based on this formula. Whenever you have a by 2 tan A by 2, then you can find out sin A. Okay, and this cos A is nothing but 1 minus tan square A by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So here given is tan theta by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, and we have to find out what is 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. So first we will calculate what is sin theta, and therefore sin theta is what? 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is the formula. Okay, so replace all the values. So 2 into tan theta by 2 is what? 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3 bracket square, because tan theta by 2 is 2 by 3. So this gives you what? 2 2s are 4, right? 4 divided by 3. So this is 4 by 3 divided by 1 plus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Okay. Now this, if you cross multiply, what you will get here? If you cross multiply, you will get 9 ones are 9 plus 4 ones are 4 divided by 9 ones are 9. Now divide this, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Right? You can divide this term with this term. So what you will get here? This 3 will goes on the numerator. So it will gives you 4 into 3 divided by 9 plus 4. Divided by 9 plus 4. What is this? 4 into 3, which is 12. And 9 plus 4, which is 13. Correct? So sin theta you will get, which is 12 by 13. Now we will calculate what is cos theta. So what is formula for cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay? So this is 1 minus tan square. This is 2 by 3 square now divided by 1 plus 2 by 3 square. Replace all the values of tan theta by 2. You will get this term. Now 1 minus, what is 2 square? 4. 3 square is 9 divided by 1 plus 2 square is 4 divided by 9. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication. If you do the cross multiplication, what you will get? 9 ones are 9 minus 4 ones are 4 divided by 9, right? And divided by 9 ones are 9 here plus 4 ones are 4 and 9 into 1 is 9. This 9 get cancel, and finally you will get cos theta as 9 minus 4, which is 5 divided by 9 plus 4, which is 13. Okay, so cos theta is 5 by 13, sin theta is 12 by 13. Now we will substitute all these values in the 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, and we will find the solution for this problem. Therefore 2 sin theta, therefore 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 2 into sin theta is 12 by 13 minus 3 into cos theta, which is 5 by 13. Correct? Now we have here 12 2s are 24 divided by 13 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 13. Okay, and this denominator is 13, so you can write this as 13. Now 24 minus 15. Okay, 24 minus 15 is what? 9. So for this 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, answer is 9 by 30. We will solve last problem from this multiple and submultiple angles. this problem says that we have to prove that cos A divided by 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus tan square A by 2. Okay. So this problem can be solved by taking LHS and show that right hand side occurs. So we will follow first of all LHS. What is LHS? LHS is given as cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. And we will prove that this right hand side is 1 by 2, 1 minus tan square A by 2. Okay. So what do you know about cos 2A? You know that cos 2A is nothing but cos square A minus sin square A. This is the formula for cos 2A. We will apply this formula for this cos A. Okay. So here if you have a 2A, then we have a here. If you have a A, then I have to divide this by 2. Okay. So what will be formula here now for cos A? This will be cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Why this A by 2? Because we don't have here 2A, we have only A. So if you have a 2A, then we have to write A. Okay, otherwise divide this by 2. Now here 1 plus cos A, we know that 1 plus cos 2A, which is what? 2 cos square A, right? 1 plus cos 2A is 2 cos square A. So 1 plus cos A will be what? If we have a 2A, then here A. So if you have a A, then I have to divide this by 2. Okay. So what you will get here? This is 2 cos square A by 2. Okay. Now I can take 1 by 2 outside. Okay. And now divide this cos square A by 2 to this. So cos square A by 2 divided by cos square A by 2. Otherwise, split this term. So cos square A by 2 divided by cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2 divided by cos square A by 2. Okay. Now this cos square A by 2, cos square A by 2 get cancelled. And what is sin by cos? Sin by cos is tan, but we have a square, so it will be tan square. Okay. Now here I can write this as 1 by 2, 1 minus. This is 1 minus sin by cos, which is tan, and we have a square, so tan square A by 2. And look at this right hand side. Right hand side is also here 1 by 2, 1 minus tan square A by 2. So that is what I want to prove here. By taking LHS, I have shown here the right hand side occurs. So here we can write this as RHS and hence proved. Hence proved. By taking LHS, I shown our right hand side occurs. So we have proved that this equality is true. So if you understood this, then comment on video. If you have any query, then also you can write in comment section. Okay, thank you.